So here's a mini synth that I built out of an old Spartus alarm clock. I actually built it inside the shell of the alarm clock. The only part I saved was the battery. Everything else is gutted and brand new. So you can see the two knobs. This controls the pitch, this controls the frequency, and then this button here randomizes the pitch. So let's take a look. So as you can see, I have both set to the lowest setting here. Unfortunately, the buttons don't do anything. I might change that in another model. So yeah, let's check it out. Anyway, that about covers it. Thanks for watching.